problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the blessing be calling. Level my blessings, I feel like I'm bowling. The 30 is best.
Hey, what's up everyone? Thank y'all for tuning in once again. This is Gus with Nero Abarth, and welcome. If you're new to my channel, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. Today we're actually going to be doing some pretty cool stuff to the car. I want to give a big shout out to B3 Garage and TH3 Motorsports for these awesome tents that you just put on my car. I got some new tents. Big shout out to JT and Baja. I don't know if you can really tell I got the tents on, but anyways, I got some big stuff going on right now. I'm actually on my way to Dante's house and San Juan Capistrano. We're gonna go ahead and get my car lowered. Thank you Dante for hooking it up with I think it's an Eibach lowering kit. So I'm on my way to his pad, about to get that installed. Thanks for the hookup once again. Here we are on the toll road, getting ready to get this car lowered. So I got some big things going on with this car. Once it's lowered, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some spacers on the wheels, just so it can stick out a little bit, not too much, because then that just looks ridiculous. But I might wait on the spacers because I actually want to get a wide body kit for the Abarth. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty clean, man. So I'm gonna see how many inches the wide body is gonna be, so I can just go ahead and match the spacers. And I want the tires to. That's loud. I want the tires to sit flush with the wide body, so that's why I'm gonna wait off on the spacers for now until I get the wide body and get it installed. Then I'll get the spacers just to know the exact inch or measurements I'm gonna need to get the spacers. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for everyone for tuning in once again. Cheer. Alright, you guys just noticed, but we're in Ortega Highway, so I made a right, but if I would have made a left, that would have been where I lost my GoPro. So I want to give this moment of silence to that GoPro that I lost. It's been through hard times and good times. Mainly hard because
1.1 miles, turn left onto Calle Espero.
Thank you, Siri. It's been through my motorcycle accident. It's been through me. Well, it's been with my brother too, when he was drowning. So, I mean, rest in peace GoPro, but thank God you're gone because you were just filming a bunch of bad stuff. So anyways, this moment of silence for you, GoPro. Let's wait for the train. Throw the e-brake on. Just wait for this bad one to pass by. Ciao! It computes Dante. Yo, boy. Damn, doggy. What up, doggy? Hi, welcome to the vlog, homie. That's Dante, guys. The myth, the legend in person right there. Alright, let's get this car lowered. I'll get you guys a quick view of the tents from outside. And they're limo tents, guys. So you can't really tell from the video, I think, from inside. But from outside, let's go check it out.
Sí, güey, me tuve que regresar con las pinches cosas.
Alrighty guys, so the car is finally lowered. Off the bat, you feel a difference on the steering. You feel lower, obviously. Like I feel lower to the ground. Like I feel like there's more control in the car. Like it's so responsive. Like it's ridiculous. Like I feel like I can dig this car when I hit a canyon or any turn. Like this car is gonna do some crazy stuff now. But big shout out to Dante coming through on the lowering springs. And just the labor itself, man, coming through. Thanks for hooking it up, man. Big shout out to you, bro. Hey, Fiat. What up, brother? Alrighty, guys. So, different day, same story. Anyways, it just started raining. It's a Sunday afternoon, and it's raining right now. I got the GoPro connected. So, there's only really one thing to do in the rain. Most people hide out, stay indoors. I come out, and it's time to drift this bad boy and see what we can do. But check out those Ferraris right there in that Porsche. Oh my god, that Rubicon, that Wrangler right there is nice. Well guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put away my camera, and then all the footage is gonna be done by my GoPro. I might set this camera outside to get some outside footage, but if I need a dip, I'm probably just gonna leave the camera there. But it looks pretty empty, pretty dead, so it should be fine. But anyways guys, let's get those drifts in, let's go do it. Holy shit, time to run! Alrighty guys, so it started raining pretty good now. I might do one more, and after that, I'll probably call it a day. Just because I know since tomorrow's Memorial Day, there's gonna be a lot of cops around here. But let's go ahead and hit this last one. I'm gonna set my camera up somewhere good, get a good angle on this thing, and then we'll be bouncing out of here. I'm gonna go watch Aladdin after this with the family. Alrighty guys, let's go and do this. Damn, just saw a cop. Oh shit! Cop asked, I spun out. I was hit the turn too hard. I spun out. I was not drifting. I was not doing any e-brake turns. Nothing. Alrighty guys, that's going to conclude today's video for today. Thank you all for tuning in once again. Don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe. And please, if you guys want, go ahead and share my videos. That'd be truly awesome if you guys do. Anyways guys, thanks for tuning in once again, and peace out.